Hey everybody and welcome back, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to get money from Revolut Referral. So this is going to be really helping you guys out. So what are you going to do over here for this one is simply head over to their referral program, and here you need to invite your friend. Let's just say if they complete your uh, task in the certain amount of time, so there is a deadline as you can see mentioned clearly over here. If in that certain amount of time they do complete the task, then of course you are going to be earning some money. So this is really quick and easy way to make some extra bucks. So invite your uh, friends. You can earn rewards for up to 5 invites per campaign. When your invitee completes a step, it will be marked complete, and this is how easy it is to be done. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.